wanted to share this awesome moment with you. Check this out. There is a Kiwi Cylinder Head kit sitting on my driveway. Why is that significant? Well, last Tuesday I noticed that there was a coolant leak coming out of my between my head and my block. It's just coming out between probably the third intake along, just a small coolant leak. I thought, well, that's probably just the gasket gone. So I whipped the head off, but now there were actually cracks in the head between the pre-combustion cup going right over into the valve seat. And that actually solved a big dilemma in my head, because I was getting a few bubbles in my coolant system, but I had just thought it was an airlock, a bit of air trapped in my cooling system, because it was just so intermittent. And then every now and then my water level would just go down majorly, about 700 mil. I'd lose 700 mil of water without any explanation. And I just, you know, in the back of your mind you think, this is a head gasket problem or a head problem, but you know, you never want to admit it because you know what's up. Anyway, got the head off. So we've got our Cape trip coming up in 13 days. Got a car with no head. You can imagine the stress levels starting to go up. So I sent a message to all, I googled it, sent a message to all the companies that were listed using their form, saying, well, this is my issue, I need a head urgently. I had in mind that I would just go local and get a genuine head gasket and bolts, but then I saw that a lot of these places do a kit, so I thought, right, okay, let's just test out one of these kits, see how they go. One of the companies actually got, it was late in the evening, one of the companies actually got back to me straight away in the evening, so he must be working from home. And I just said, look mate, just get the price to me and we'll get everything sorted. He said, yep, righto, but you know what, I never heard from him again. Another company didn't get back to me at all, but this mob, they got back to me straight away. The next day they, not straight away that evening, the next day they got straight on to me, and I was asking some hard questions, because you know, I think the big question in everyone's mind is, are these imported Chinese heads and kits any good? So I was just poking all the questions at him, saying, well, are they lasting? How, you know, are you getting any returns? He reassured me that they're fine, they're not having any problems. I did say I'm running more boost than what's normal, a bit more fuel than what's normal. He didn't really comment on that, but I just noticed in some of their documentation that the turbo cylinder heads are for a factory setup, which is fair enough. I suppose that's spec. So the big question is this cylinder head going to be any good? So that was on Thursday. They shipped it on Friday last week. Today is Monday. TNT just delivered it, so it's Monday at 1 PM. So just think of that. That's incredible. An order's placed Thursday, Friday it's shipped, Monday it's sitting on your driveway. That's unreal. So this company already has impressed me. They were onto it straight away with all their replies, their email replies, which already stands them out from the other ones. Their delivery time was just ace. Yeah, you can't fault that. Shipped Friday, arrives Monday. and that's coming all the way out from Sydney to central Queensland, and right in the middle of COVID. What do you say? It's awesome. What I'm going to do now is unbox this head, see what's in the kit, and just have a bit of a discussion about why I've gone with this mob, and what I'm trying to achieve, and why I'm posting this video, and we'll go from there.